Oh, hey there guys, welcome back to another one. Today we have something epic going on. We have bacon, jalapeno, some banana pepper infused cheese curds. We griddled them up on the Blackstone. I've griddled cheese curds before, but I never added fixins to the center of them, and they turned out amazing. They are so good. Cook this next time you're doing a barbecue, when you're waiting for the brisket and your uncle's all hatched on Bush Light. Give them some of these, it'll fix them right up. Let's cook. Okay, first things first, little pan. I'm rocking low to medium, so in between low and medium. That's the heat I'm rocking. I'll probably end up adjusting it as we go. I'm just gonna lay my curds right on the griddle and let these puppies get nice and crispy. These are real Wisconsin cheese curds. Yo we ga cheese curds. Is that how you'd say that? Can you guys read that? Can you read it? You can't read that? Maybe. How would you say that? Yo we ga cheese curds. I'm gonna turn this griddle down to low, just to let them cheese curds melt nice. The idea behind it is to let the whole cheese curd melt down into the griddle before you get one side too crispy. We're gonna warm up this bacon. And griddle up some of these jalapenos. And griddle up some of these banana peppers. And we're just gonna build. We're just gonna build. Add a piece of bacon. Oh, them jalapenos are smelling delicious. Maybe add a piece of jalapeno to that one. Jalapeno. Bacon. Getting ready to spin up. And we'll just roll them up. Look at that. Well, that's a situation, boys and girls. Put a jalapeno in there. That one needs a jalapeno. Roll it right up. See how this white cheddar one works. Roll. Roll. Nice. We're gonna let that get brown on the other side there. Here's one with just bacon. Man, this is working really nice, guys. This would make a great appetizer for the ball game. How good of an appetizer would this be for the backyard? Having a little barbecue, grilling up these bad boys before the brisket's done. Bacon, jalapeno infused cheese curds. That rolls off the tongue pretty good. This one needs some more bacon, some more jalapenos. Roll. See how it rolls. One more roll. I got another roll in it. Oh yeah. Just like that. Bacon, jalapeno, banana pepper infused griddled cheese curds. Holy.